So one of the important things I would like to mention here is that unfortunately many practices, as they were going through the COVID-19 situation, they did not have the financial means to even recover, to even open their doors. Many practices, there's an estimation of approximately 13% of physical therapy private practices have been unable to open their doors, or they had to close their doors after they reopened for a brief period of time. So this is a very difficult situation. And what I will be talking to you about is not how to go back to 100% pre-COVID. That's not my intention. My intention is to discuss with you the specific strategies where you are going to realize a significant increase in your revenues, a growth in your practice above and beyond to where you were in the pre-COVID-19 era, utilizing and taking advantage of specific opportunities. As a matter of fact, in our specific practice, our estimation is that implementing the HUD strategies, the specific strategies I'm going to be talking about, we will be at 180% growth within the next 8 to 12 months. So that is the type of growth I'm talking about, that it is totally possible, even utilizing your existing client base without having to spend significant dollars to acquire a lot of new patients. And here are numbers. Here are specifics. We like data, so here are the data. These are practices, some of the practices, a small number of the practices that are being associated with us, with hands-on diagnostics. And this is the average revenue they were making before HUDs, from 80 to even a specific outlier here of $180 a visit. But look how the revenue increases drastically for all of these practices, anywhere between 24, 25%, all the way up to 47% per visit when they get involved with HUDs for the patients who are qualifying for the services that you can provide as a HUDs partner. And I'm going to explain all that in a moment. But this is what you're looking for. From your existing clients, from your existing patients, you can start making an additional 110,000 or 360,000 or $500,000 or 800,000 and so on and so forth from your existing clientele. Okay? No additional expense to bring new patients in. This is what you can gain from your existing clients.